Imagine waking up every morning to a view that takes your breath away. A city that never sleeps, where the skyline is a masterpiece of modern architecture, and the iconic Petronas Twin Towers stand tall, reminding you that you're in the heart of one of the world's most vibrant cities. This is the life at Kuala Lumpur Sky Suites KLCC. Rising 324 meters above the bustling streets of Kuala Lumpur, Sky Suites KLCC isn't just a residential tower, it's a statement. A symbol of luxury, exclusivity, and a lifestyle that most can only dream of. But what makes this place so special? Let me take you on a journey. As you step into the grand lobby, you're greeted by an atmosphere of elegance. The sleek design, the warm lighting, and the attentive staff make you feel like you've entered a world of sophistication. This isn't just a building, it's a home for those who appreciate the finer things in life. But the real magic happens on the 52nd floor. Here, you'll find the crown jewel of Sky Suites KLCC, the infinity pool. As you swim, the city sprawls beneath you, and the Petronas Twin Towers stand so close, it feels like you can almost touch them. It's not just a pool, it's an experience. Living here means you're at the center of it all. Step outside, and you're just minutes away from the Surya KLCC Mall, where luxury shopping and gourmet dining await. Or take a stroll through the KLCC Park, an urban oasis that offers a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. As the sun sets and the city lights up, Sky Suites KLCC transforms into a beacon of luxury. The lights from the windows tell stories of lives lived in comfort and style. For those who call this place home, it's more than just an address, it's a lifestyle. So, what does it mean to live at Sky Suites KLCC? It's waking up to a view that inspires you. It's coming home to a place that feels like a retreat. And it's being part of a community that values exclusivity, comfort, and elegance. This isn't just a building, it's a dream come true. If you enjoyed this journey through one of Kuala Lumpur's most iconic addresses, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories about luxury living and breathtaking landmarks. And tell me, would you want to call Sky Suites KLCC home? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and remember, the sky's not the limit, it's just the beginning. Assalamu alaikum and good day to all STYFLY subscribers. Salamat menyambut Ramadan Kareem. Semoga Allah permudahkan urusan. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, if you want to watch more video. Bye.